Lola. Caleb. Hi, Cobb. Remington. You getting in the pool? With the Hutchie. It's a Chappy Chap. How you doing, Riley? Davis! Are you in the pool? You got a new friend over there? And those are your friends? Uh-oh. You guys gonna push all the water out. Then what are you gonna do? Here you go, Miles. Hi, Hallis. Hi, Maxine. What you doing, Dex? What are you doing? You boys having fun? What do you think, Miles? Oh, yes. Feels good to lay down.